Peace. Okay, so today, honey, we will be doing a Seamoss facial. Okay, so over here you can see I have some blemishes. Okay, I have enlarged pores, and then over here is pretty much the same thing. Okay, so this is our Seamoss. Okay, it's funny how I came across this Seamoss. It was from a YouTuber. I think his name is Rich. I think, right? But this Seamoss is really good. So I have two types. This is the full spectrum Seamoss, and this is the one with the color. Okay, so I believe this one is more important than the Irish Seamoss. Okay, and so what we finna do, we are going to take our Seamoss. Okay, this is pretty much how it looks. We're gonna take our Seamoss, and it may look like this is a little bit, but it expands. Okay, so our Seamoss, we're gonna pour our water in here. Ooh. Honey, I'm trying to see if this is still good. Cause honey, you don't want to know how long I had this Seamoss. Okay, I had this Seamoss for a minute. Okay, let's not give no dates on how long I had it. So if it's good, honey, we'll be able to tell by in the morning because it'll definitely expand. But yeah, so we take the Seamoss, we put the Seamoss in our bowl. Whoop. Honey, we put the Seamoss in our bowl like that. And then we're going to take some key limes. Okay. And I told you guys, key limes, I normally use these for deodorant. And we just going to squeeze some key limes in our Seamoss. Just pretty much to clean it more. Okay. Ooh. Honey, I done got this stuff in my eye. Okay, so we gonna let this sit for about 8 hours, well, into the next morning. Okay, and so let this sit, and I catch you guys in the morning. Peace. Family, peace. Okay, listen, honey. So we got our Seamoss, okay, and it's stretched, okay, because before it was like a little smaller, so it stretched. Now I'm gonna tell you guys how long I had this Seamoss. Okay, I had this Seamoss for 8 to 9 months. Okay, I was a little ashamed to say, you know, how long I had it, but it is what it is. Okay, so this one, I don't know, it didn't stretch as much, so I don't know, but this one definitely stretched compared to how it was like last night. So we gonna blend this up. Honey, I'm trying to see something. Okay, so we gonna blend this up, and we going to apply this on our face. Okay. So we put it in our blender. Oh, I could have used the water that was in here. And the water that's in here, like when you have it soaking for overnight, I know, I think the guy name is Rich who sells this. His energy is so good, honey. But anywho, and he's a YouTuber. Another YouTuber, because shall I say, honey, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, but listen, so he used the water that he had soaking in the Seamoss, like for his plants and stuff. So you could use that water, I guess, you know, if you have plants or whatever it is, you could use that water for your plants, the one that you were soaking the Seamoss with. And so we are going to add our Seamoss. Okay, like that. Then we are going to put our water. Honey, real quick, I gotta say this. Let me get this off my chest, okay? Let me just say this. I need you to do me a favor, okay? Pay attention to what you have accomplished in your life already, okay? I was in my room, actually this morning when I first got up. Actually last night, okay? I was talking to my youngest daughter who's 5 years old. Now, she probably don't know what the heck I was talking about, okay? But she's real smart. So when I told her about goal setting, I don't really care for saying goal setting because goal setting seems like real serious. But let me tell you guys something. About, I want to say 12 years ago, don't quote me on the time because, you know, I forget, okay, how many years or how much it cost or whatever it is like that. But about 12 years ago, I remember I had set goals while I was on Section 8. I'm still on Section 8. Don't get it misconstrued, okay? But soon to be off, thanks to you guys, okay, YouTube. And the phenomenal subscribe. You guys, you do it. You are the real MVPs, the real ones, okay? And so I remember I set these goals, okay? And the goals was for me to graduate from college. Another goal was me to take a financial class, right? And another one was for me to become a police officer. And once I hit those goals, so every month that I paid rent, Section 8 would put, they would double it. So say if my rent was like 300, Section 8 would add 300, okay, and it'll be, you know, 600 that would go like in this kind of escrow account, I want to say. And I think it was 5 years to do it, 5 years to hit those goals. Honey, I hit those goals, okay, except for the police force thing, right? But graduating from college, I hit, and I got $10,000 from Section 8, okay? And that had allowed me to buy my first real good, reliable car, okay? So you want to focus on things that you accomplish so you could accomplish more things, all right? Enjoy life. And that is going to change your self-image, believe it or not. That's really going to change your self-image by you focus on what you accomplish, those emotions, those feelings, because we have to remember, emotions are energy in motion. So you become what you constantly think of. Okay, I need you to get there. Okay, now let's get back to the Seamoss. Okay, now we're going to add our water. And we don't want to do a whole bunch of water, okay? I don't know if I'm going to take Seamoss by the mouth. Probably so. And, so Seamoss has iron in there. It has, I believe it's like 92 minerals. 92 minerals is also good for your hair, skin, nails, and your thyroid. Okay, so Seamoss is really, really good. So we're gonna blend this up, and after we blend it up, I'm gonna apply it to my face. Okay. Okay, family, so we done let this blend all up. Okay, now we have, and look, okay, look at this. Okay, so if you want to make the gel, right, the Seamoss gel, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay, you only need a little bit of water, and as it blends up, you can see you know, if you may have to add some more water or whatever it is like that. If you have a blender like I do, okay, let it blend for a while before you start adding water or before you start dumping the water. Because as it was blending, girl, I was like, ooh. I said, dang, maybe I put too much water. But no, honey, it was the blender. Okay, so we're going to take our Seamoss. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. And we are going to... Okay, family, so we're going to just take this Seamoss and put it all on our face. Our lips. Everywhere. Okay? You want to rub it all in, honey. Rub it all in. Let's see how it's looking. So this is pretty much how it's looking now. Okay, you see. Okay, and we are going to allow it to sit for 15 minutes, and then I will be back. Peace. Oh, okay, honey, so I just got finished meditating. It's been 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes go past, you could probably let it stay on there longer, but I am finna rinse this off. Now, when you apply the Seamoss gel, okay, some of the things to know. Okay, one, the Seamoss gel is going to smell fishy. Why, Deena? Because, honey, perhaps it came from the sea. Okay, that's why. Two, when you apply it and you have it sitting on your face, it's going to feel a little itchy. Okay, especially your eyelash area. To me, I'm thinking maybe it's like that because it's growing, right? I don't know. But there's some of the things to be mindful of. Your face is going to feel tight, but not tight in a sense where it's like, oh, I could never put this Seamoss gel on my face again because it's so tight, right? No, in a sense like it feels like it's tightening, okay? So after I wash this off, my pores definitely should be shrunk or shrinked. Either which way. Honey, I ain't no professor. I never came on here and told you guys I was. Okay, so let's rinse this off. Okay, family, so we just rinsed it off. Oh, your face, honey, your face is going to thank you. Okay, it is so smooth. Okay, I think I'm gonna do like a 5-day Seamoss thing. Okay, because it feels so good. Okay, oh, it feels so soft, really, really soft, and my pores, they shrunk to me. They shrunk a little. Okay. It may look like a little, you know, shiny up here. Okay. That Seamoss, honey, that Seamoss gonna have you looking youthful. Okay. You get what I'm saying? Honey, youthful. Okay. So make sure you guys try the Seamoss. Let me know how you guys like the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.